So hi there, how you doing? I'm Justine Kapani. I'm from New Delhi NCR. I exercise daily. I've been in sports. I'm a drummer, and I'm in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And right now, I am at my gym. As you can see that poster there, it says "Sweat every day." So over the last few days, I've been on forced rest because of little pain in my knee and my nerve. My foot got twisted and stuff. So, I could have just got pretty hassled about it and I could have just got worked up about it. I could have died, what's the word, worrying about it or just thinking about it all the time and not doing much. But what did I do? So, why is it important that I'm sharing this? Is because I see so many people around who are combating or facing challenges at home and stuff with somebody or the other and at work and stuff, and they got to go strong. So what did I do? So I just rested and I took the next step, necessary precautions. I fixed an appointment with the doctor. Unfortunately, their server was down, so I couldn't go there. I didn't give in to any kind of despair or any kind of negative thinking that age is catching up with me, or maybe it's going to get really worse, it's going to get really bad, and maybe the doctor is going to give me some medicines again since I recovered from neck cervical and I've already been for 2.5 years on painkillers and incidentally some medicines like steroids and stuff. But I mean, I've got no fear and I'm not scared of taking any medicines if required. But what I thought was, let me just give my body that necessary rest and slow down, which will definitely get me back on track. And it really worked. It worked, yeah. All I did is sleep, all I did is read, all I did is the usual, listen to music. Of course, I was going to the park in the evening to sit there for a while and soak up nature and meet up with people and stuff. And the lesson for me is that, if you want to come out of something which is bringing you down, you have to think above it and beyond it, and you have to think what next and how to overcome it. So think more on recovery, think more on getting better, think more on what is the next preventive action you have to take, and without any delay go for it, because the earlier you see a doctor the better it is, because sometimes people reach where it's too late and stuff and things can go wrong. So your body gives you those signals, and it's summers and it's human body. We're not robots or computers, and we're not made of wood or steel. How I wish I was like the man of steel, like a superman or a superwoman. But what I've learned is, and sharing is, you must keep the necessary medicines next to you, or whatever persists in your daily week or life and stuff, and keep the unnecessary medicines away, because if you keep too many medicines around you, when you open up your drawer or you open up your medicine box, it can just kind of get you in a negative loop of feeling sick looking at those medicines. So just the necessary ones, and now stay hydrated and listen to some positive stories and some good music, and avoid talking too much about your issue. Yeah, it's coming from me because for 2.5 years I've done enough of it on shares on my cervical and stuff like that. But there was a reason for that, because I was homebound, but now I'm back to normal and stuff, and I still talk sometimes about it, so I can kind of probably help someone come out of it and all that. So the pain seems more or less under control, and I promise to see a doctor because I do not want my issue to come back again. So if this helps you, follow it, and you can see me on YouTube. I'm on there with my YouTube channel, and I'm on social media, and I'm on LinkedIn and Facebook and stuff, and I don't reply much to people I don't know unless and until it's really important and stuff. Okay, so to do something you have to be a part of it. It's like normal, if you want to be a part of a musical troupe, you have to join dance classes. So if you have to if you've set some fitness goals and you want to achieve good health and stuff, you have to register some way or the other. So join the gym, join exercise classes, join sports or whatever, and it's definitely going to take you forward. So take care and have a great start to the week ahead. Bye bye. Ciao. Cheers.